think.
Oh.
Okay.
We're on to the rubbish ones now, are we?
Yeah, that's enough. I mean, it's strong. Taste the alcohol, but it ain't bad. It's actually alright.
Smells like red wine.
It could be a wine by this point.
Definitely tastes like wine.
It's like I've had a glass of Merlot drinking that. Here you go, Deborah. Get the Merlot down your glass.
Definitely tastes like a sweet wine.
Sweet, oh, sweet wine.
Yeah. Not a dry one, but sweet.
Ah.
Ooh, yeah.
It's not dry. It's definitely sweet. Take the hairs off your chest.
It smells nice.
It does smell nice, yeah.
And it just smells slightly white, like wine.
Yeah, I think it's on the path to wine, isn't it?
And I would say it tastes more like wine than it does like a cider.
Mm.
No set jam can become wine. And I wonder if that's something similar.
Well,
But the flavour's alright. It's just got that wine aftertaste. Yeah, it's alright. It's drinkable.
nice.
Does taste like a wine, don't it?
It doesn't taste like a cider, but it tastes like one.
Yeah.
Nice and sweet. There's a lot of flavour in it there as well, which is good.
I like it, but it is strong. It is strong.
Sip it in portions.
Just tasted like apple juice, but it was 9%, but tasted like apple juice. Go on, what's this one like?
I feel like all the alcohol is infused in one. No, I can definitely see what you mean. There is the added bit of sour to it.
Yeah.
It's not bad though. That is nice still. It's
Oh, sorry. Cheers. So it smells strong like the wine.
Should be sweet.
Yeah, less strong.
that is good. That one, yeah.
It's definitely cidery though.
Yeah.
Not appley like earlier, like it was like pop. Yeah,
It's
no.
9%.
It's
Possibly
you
a bit
can tell
more.
it's strong, and it's proper cider flavoured, isn't it?
It's like some of the stuff they give you to try like Healy's. Like it's not. It's good. This.
So basically, it's like Rattler.